so much to Yin Chang Ve Wang Nam, the Lion Dancing School, for making my dreams come true, because I have always wanted to be a dragon dancer and to just they're incredible and I love watching them. The shows are always so amazing. And ever since I was a kid, in for Lunar New Year, when our family would go to the temple and we would watch the lion dragon performances, I was always captivated. So I'm very thankful for all my new friends at the school for letting me join them for a night and learn. So yeah, isn't it so cute? Oh my gosh. This opportunity came because I saw them perform at this amusement park, and afterwards I went up to Thay, the teacher who's in charge of the school, and I asked, please, can I train with you guys? And he was so nice to say yes and let me come train. So thank you so much. Yeah, I'm forever grateful, and you guys are my new dragon family. I first started learning how to play the cymbals while they were playing the drums. That was hard. I don't know how to play any musical instrument, so having to try to get it on beat and learn how to bing, 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 bing. That was pretty hard, but super fun, and I got it after some time. You guys are so talented. They're so talented. We went on to the next station where I learned how to dragon dance, where the dragon has about 7, 8, 9 people on intervals holding the stick, and you're trying to make the cool formation of a dragon. And we learned several formations. It was so fun. They are so strong and so well coordinated, because it took so much strength to hold that pole and then try to do it all in one swift motion and in sync, and then while running, and then a part where I had to jump over the dragon. So that was cool. That was so much fun. Y'all are so talented.
Đâu có đèn rồi.
So for the dragon dance, where it's 2 people and one is holding the head and the other one is the butt, for those dragon dances, it incorporates certain kung fu stances. So Thay showed me and a couple of friends those stances, which took so much control, a lot of core, a lot of concentration. incredibly, they are doing these kung fu stances while holding on to each other and then jumping on these pillars that are so high off the ground. So, what? Amazing. They are so cool, so strong, so swift. Anyways, I was just so happy to be there, and I love being a part of the school. Thank you so much for this experience. Thank you for Thay for cảm ơn nhiều Thay với bạn ở trường cho chị tôi làm món ăn. Cảm ơn nhiều. And yeah, I had so much fun. Thank you so much. Made my dreams come true, and I'm just so in awe of you guys. And yeah, thank you to my dragon family. Thank you.